Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy iQOO G9s, then this video is going to help you. In this video, I will unbox iQOO G7 5G smartphone. This is a 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage variant. So let's cut the seal and see what else is there inside the box. On opening the lid of this box, you will get the smartphone itself. After that, you will get a TPU silicone case. This is a very good quality case. I will speak later in this video about this. Next, you will get some documentation. As you can see, you can read these documents, and then the charging cable inside it. And after that, there is SIM ejection tool. After that, there is 44-watt fast charger. You can charge your device very quickly. The phone is wrapped up in plastic. I have to remove the plastic's coating, only then I can get access to this smartphone. The look and feel of this smartphone is very good. It feels very premium in the hand, and also you can see that a screen protector is applied, and at the bottom you will get the SIM tray. Towards the left there is nothing, and on the right side you will get the volume rocker and power button, and also on the top of the display you will get a secondary noise cancellation mic, and towards the back you will get two cameras, and there is a LED sensor or LED light. At the front you will get the selfie shooter. Let me power on the device. At the time of booting up for the first time, you have to select and uncheck some boxes. Only then you can remove the ads forever on your smartphone. So you have to click on these settings and then click next, and then you have to set up offline, and then you have to click continue, and after that you have to accept the Google services, and then click on skip, and then you have to uncheck these boxes. If you do this, you will not be annoyed by the ads and promotions from the brand. So this will give a clean look to your smartphone, and you can use your smartphone very easily. So the setup process is complete, and the display looks very good. As you can see here, it is a 120Hz refresh rate display and AMOLED display, so you will get deeper blacks, and also it feels very snappy. However, though not many pre-installed apps are there, so clean look is there. Only few apps are there. You can uninstall them if you want to. Now going into the settings, you can see that this phone is running on FunTouch OS 14 along with Android 14, and it has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Out of 256GB, only 22.91GB is occupied, so you will get a lot of free space, and actually 4GB of RAM is free, so you will have a very good performance with this. Plus it has virtual RAM of 4GB, so you can use that also. Now I will show you the soft silicone case, which will get yellow in course of time. So actually this will protect your smartphone from any scratch or any drop. So you can see that it fits very well. So now this will look like this after applying the back protector or the silicone case. You can see here, actually the look is very good. As it supports HDR content on YouTube looks very good on this display. Plus it has a stereo speaker, so you will get a very good experience along with this. Also you can enhance the sound up to 300%. If you want to increase it, you have to click on the volume up button, and it will be increased up to 300 times. So this is a very good feature also. So that's all in this video about the unboxing of iQOO G9s. Hope this video has become informative to you. I have not used the camera yet. If you want to know about the camera, I can make a dedicated video about the camera and video samples of this smartphone. So ask me in the comment sections below if you want to see, or if you want to know about the cameras of this smartphone. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.